that truck on there. Where the fuck you come from? Bro, what the fuck is you doing in my truck, bro? We in the middle of fucking nowhere and you walking up to my car. Now, if I was to shoot your dumb ass, it would be a fucking problem. Now you be...
can do.
I don't give a fuck. What the fuck can you do, nigga? You a nigga, a big black nigga in a tank top. This nigga think he charging up like he's some fucking... What the fuck? What the fuck he doing?